Hey guys, it's Jacob from the Helmet Center here. You can also find us online at hcpowersports.com. Today we got a 2013 Yamaha FZ6-R in the Yamaha blue. This guy's pretty neat looking. Ready to rock. It's got good tires, fresh oil, new filter. There's the front tire. This thing's got a dual disc in the front. I love that blue. There's some pretty blue. It reminds me of my R6. I'm not sure if I said already, it's mainly stock. It does have an aftermarket tank pad, which is easily removable. Here we got the rear tire. Again, good tread on that. You can always find more information on the bike at our website again, hcpowersports.com. You may always come in the store at our Glendale location and check it out in person. Throw some bags on this guy. Go for a long distance touring trip, a little more upright, a little more comfortable. Tank is in pretty good condition, no scratches, no nicks, no dents. Very clean, very pretty. There we go. 5715. Fire up. As I said, most of these bikes are low mileage.